Do you want to speak English naturally in real-life situations? Today, you will learn English through a simple conversation at a coffee shop. First, listen to the full dialogue. Then, we will go slower. After that, you will learn key words. Next, you will practice step by step. And finally, you will test your listening. Relax, focus, and enjoy the process. Let's begin.
Good morning.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like milk or sugar?
Just milk, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
That will be $5.
Here you go, thank you.
Thank you. Good morning.
Now look at each keyword with an image to better remember it. Coffee. Coffee. Small. Small. Medium. Medium. Large. Large. Milk. Milk. Sugar. Sugar. Now let's practice together. Repeat each sentence after me.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What can I get for you?
What can I get for you?
I'd like a coffee, please.
I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure.
Sure.
Small, medium, or large?
Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Medium, please.
Would you like milk or sugar?
Would you like milk or sugar?
Just milk, please.
Just milk, please.
Anything else?
Anything else?
No, that's all.
No, that's all.
That will be $5.
That will be $5.
Here you go, thank you.
Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning.
Thank you. Good morning. Now comes the challenge. Let's listen to the dialogue again, but this time without subtitles. See how much you can understand on your own. Let's begin.
Good morning.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
I'd like a coffee, please.
Sure. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Would you like milk or sugar?
Just milk, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
That will be $5.
Here you go, thank you.
Thank you. Good morning.
Great job! You just practiced real English in a simple and effective way. The more you listen, the more you understand. The more you repeat, the more confidence you gain. Now, I want to know, did you understand today's conversation? Write in the comments how much you understood. And if you had any difficulties at any point, tell me too. I'm here to help you improve. Keep practicing every day and don't forget, you can watch this video as many times as you need. That's how real progress happens. If you want to continue learning English in a simple and practical way, subscribe to the channel and activate notifications. That way, you won't miss the next real-life English conversations. This is just the beginning. Let's learn to speak real English together.